Remember when Kia was all about cheap, generic economy cars? Well, today its design team is led by Audi and Cadillac alumni, and two of its most popular vehicles are family-sized. The third-generation Sorento can take the clan to out-of-the-way places. Built on the same platform as the Sedona minivan, it's easy to confuse the names.
Sedona is the minivan, Sorento here, the crossover. The one that everyone wants to buy, because nobody wants to buy a minivan for some reason.
Vans are more useful, but even the most practical shoppers will be wooed by Sorento's handsome lines. Strong but elegant, neighbors will think it's a luxury brand until they get close enough to see this. Front-drive Sorentos start at $25,800. This all-wheel drive SX Limited model with all option packages is $45,100. A significant price jump. It buys luxury gear such as a heated wheel, radar-assisted cruise control, and vented front chairs with hide that's baby-bottom smooth.
There are three engines, a naturally aspirated four-cylinder, a V6, and the one that I'm driving.
It's a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. There's 240 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. The gearbox has 6 cogs. It always seems to be in the right one. This mid-level engine feels punchy enough off the line. 0 to 60 spools up in about 8 seconds. Significantly more refined than the outgoing model, Kia took much of the numbness out of the steering, and the weight is adjustable. It's luxury car quiet.
Sorento's ride quality is very comfortable, a little bit of body roll, not too bad. The size feels just right. Sound like Goldilocks.
It slots in between a CR-V and Highlander, so there's room for the family, but you'll never feel like a bus driver. The back pillar cuts into visibility. Drinking standard-grade gasoline, this drivetrain is government-rated at 19 city, 25 highway, smack dab in the middle of the other two engines. I'm seeing 19 miles per gallon in mixed driving. Equipped with all-wheel drive, Sorento will venture into places that, quite frankly, most owners will never go. For daily commutes involving boulders and deep water, buy a Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is what owners stare at most often. Good to see Kia gave it the same spendy appearance as the exterior. If this looks German to you, you're not alone. An around-view camera system can be had. The V6 model can cross $47,000, which might seem out of line for a Kia, but add up all the luxury touches, including an excellent iPad-like interface, and the price begins to make sense.
Considering all of Sorento's features, I'm a little surprised that the fairly roomy back seat does not slide fore and aft to max out either legroom or cargo room.
The floor is flat and there's generous footroom. If you can't charge your phone here, it means you forgot a cord. There's everything needed in this limited model to keep 3 adults from complaining, including heated seats for the outboard positions.
With the proximity key in pocket or purse, all you have to do is stand close to the tailgate for 3 or 4 seconds, and it opens automatically. Sorento is available with an optional 3rd row. This one does not have it.
In its place, there's enough storage to keep the kids' sports gear out of sight, and the cargo space is pretty generous. If TP is your thing, know that Sorento can haul 14 bundles of it. Vehicles are so well done these days, it's rare to find one that stands out in its segment. Sorento does it with style, comfort, and features, though those add to the price. Kia is no longer about bargain basement pricing. Sorento may not be inexpensive, but its value sure looks good. Kia brought Sorento to Mudfest, the Northwest Auto Press Association's SUV competition. I was sure it would walk away with an award and was very surprised that it did not. In my week with it, friends, neighbors, and coworkers were very impressed. One woman in the neighborhood where I shot the running footage came out in her robe to ask me what kind of car it was and swore she was going to go test drive one.
That's my opinion of the 2016 Kia Sorento. Now remember, if you want to see these reviews a couple weeks earlier than you do here, just head on over to thenewyorktimes.com where I am a contributor. No, you do not have to pay. You get 10 free a month, okay? Head on over. That's Driven. I'm Tom Voelk.